Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers who kept supporting me from the last few months, but you have provided a great support to me, and I'll try to give you the solutions of assignments or programming assignments or any other solutions for the replies you have given in the comment sections. And thank you for all you being the part in this short and nice journey. I hope you will continue your support in the future too. Guys, this is our final week in this course programming in Java. Guys, I will try to give you the summary videos regarding this programming in Java, and there may be 2 or 3 videos relating to this, and I will try to complete the overall important theoretical and programming bits that we have come around in these various assignments of different weeks. So guys, keep supporting me as you did till now. So guys, let's go to the assignment 12, and I'm reading the first question. What is the use of socket and server socket in Java networking? The correct answer is option D. The class server socket is used to run a program in a machine and then listen to other programs defined with socket class. So mark option D as correct one. And let's go to second question. Here there is a small code they have given that class student extends string. Here string is the base class and students is the child class, and they given the question that which of the following statement is true. So the correct statements are, there is only one and only correct statement, that is code will not compile because of superclass string. Here string is a keyword, so you should not use the string as superclass or any class. So this is the correct answer, that is option C. Mark option C as correct answer. And go to third question. I'll read it. And execution of SQL command like select star from my table using JDBC program will return a result set object. This object is, guys, we came across this question in this previous assignment, that is week 11 assignment. The correct answer now we have got is option B. So guys, option B, mark it as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth question. We would like to make a member of class invisible in all subclasses regardless of what package they are in. Which of the following keyword would achieve this? The correct answer is option B, private. So mark private option B as correct answer. And coming to fifth question. Which of the following is or reserved keywords? Guys, here reserved keywords are, there are 2 reserved keywords, that are, one is switch and second one is this, option A and option D. Those 2 options are correct answer for this fifth question. So mark option A and option D as correct answers. Guys, I hope you keep supporting me for doing better videos, and I want to do out of videos for, but not only NPTEL and other education related contents. So please keep supporting me. If anyone are watching for the first time, please subscribe and hit bell icon for latest updates. And let's move on to sixth question. which of the following method belong to string class? The correct answer for sixth question are there are three correct answers. First one length, second one compare to method, and third one equals method. Here these three methods belongs to string class. So guys, mark these three options, that is A, B and C, as correct answers for sixth question. And guys, if you feel any doubts or any queries related this assignment or concept in Java, please message me in this comment section, or you can also contact me through my Instagram account. I have given in description and also in comment section. You can follow me on Instagram, and I will post some new facts or related queries for NPTEL and also education content on my upcoming videos also. So follow me in Instagram. The link will be in both description and comment section. And moving to seventh question here. Consider the following piece of code in Java, and they gave some small code or program, and here the question is which of the following is the result? Option A, I equal to 3, B, the program will not be able to compile successfully, the class cached exception is thrown at line 6, and D, a class cached exception is thrown at line 7. And guys, the correct answer for this is option A, that is I equal to 3. So mark this as correct answer for seventh question. And coming to eighth question, here we come across a new type of options that they have added two more options, E and F, without any routine. So guys, let's go to the question, which of the following statements would not cause a compilation error? And they have given A, B, C, D and F. Here they gave the array declaration by using float, and the correct answers are C, D, E and F. From C to F are correct answers, so mark C, D, E, F as correct answers, and I am marking this. And coming to ninth question, consider the following piece of code in Java, and they have given a code. What is the result if the above mentioned program, the question, is executed? The program they have given, what is the result if the above mentioned program executed? If you execute this program, what will be the result? Here they have given the print statements. There are three print statements: finally, exception and finished. Here they are given options as those three, and fourth option is compilation fails. So the correct answer is option C, finally, exception, finished. This means the combination of all three printf statements. So mark it as correct answer, option C. And coming to the final and 10th question of this assignment 12, and also the final question in this course Programming in Java 2020. So the final question, which of the statements are correct about swing programming? And they have given four options, that in that the correct answer is option C, swing. Swing is a lightweight programming. This is the correct answer for final question and also 10th question. So mark option C as correct answers. I am going to submit these answers. Friends, finally, I hope you have marked these answers. And guys, we have provided some correct answers throughout these assignments, and it will chooses best of these assignments. So I think this is just formality for taking the last assignment also. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you will continue your support by subscribing to my channel and watch the latest videos I upload. And if you have any queries related this, you can post in comments or in Instagram channel follow. I have given in the link in description and title also, and in the comment section. So I hope you like the video and click a like button and keep supporting me. Thank you.